Only for myself. Freezing point. 16 and 1531 creates the letter S. S-I-N. Syntax. Why do I say syntax? Because there's a tax on the freezing point. When you calculate Celsius, you can go any way you want. It's 32 degrees, and then it's 1.8 for each temperature. So 1 degree Celsius would be 32, and 1.8 would be 33.8. 2 Celsius, okay, will be 2 times 1.8 is 3.6, will be 35.6. Electric company, creation of 6. The C letter, in its own, is the value of 3. There's a different way of calculating Celsius when I just go the same thing. 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 32 equals 36, minus 10% of 2 is 0.4, is 35.6, is the same answer. So I went and I said, hey, why not do the same thing for the value of C? Since C runs as 3, 0, 3 becomes 0, 9. 0, 9 becomes 15. 15, or 1.5 if we want to look at it, 15 and 15 is 30, plus 32 is 92, minus 15. 32 minus 10% of that, of 15. So what is that? 92? Wrong. Made a mistake. I'm going to have to do this again. 133 made a mistake. So here I'm going to start over again. Becomes 0, 9. 0, 9 becomes 6, 9. 6, 9 over here. What is the 6, 3 over here? 6, 3 becomes 6, 3 over here. So we're going to start with this one over here. Since 3 becomes C, 3, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? 6 plus 32 is 38. 38 minus 0.3 is 37.7737, equaling to the wings. Creation 3 equaling to the wings. 2 sides. 3 is always about sides and in between. It becomes 63. 63 and 63 is 126, plus 32 is 158, minus 6.3, 158, 140, 152, 151.7, 1517. 1517 is the gateway. 151 is 74, 77 is Jesus. Now we're going to go up to 15. 15 and 15 is 30, plus 32 equals to 62. 62 minus 2.25, because it's 10%, right? 10% of this. 15 Celsius, is 1.5. 62, take away 1.5, is 60.5, 66.5, 565, New World Order. 15 is the egg. It's 1.5. 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25. 0 and 0, the 15th letter in the alphabet is 0, and also stands for Mars. In between the moons of Mars lies the moon of Luna. Sorry, I'm a little boopy on that. Now we're going to take it to one more level, okay? When we go to 0, 9, okay? 0, 9 becomes Venus. 10% of the 0, 9 brings it to 8.1. We have to do the complete 0, 9. Over here, 9 and 9 Celsius is 18, equals to 50. Take away 10% of 9, okay, or 0.9, equals 49.1. 7 by 7, the 7th gate of the one spirit that passes in between. I was coming up on something, yes, here it is. Freezing point that is calculated in Celsius at 32. Point itself equals to 74, meaning that the freezing point that is in between is the mark of Jesus. 7 by 4 is the cycle 28, and 1776. So what did they do to us? What is brain freeze? What is inside of us? Why do we get brain freeze? Why is it not warmed? That is my question in here. Okay, so am I going to say Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus? Maybe I will. But then I just wanted to say, remember, if we started the week on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it doesn't matter what day of the week it is. When we end the month, it'll be the 29th. There'll be 2 more days left in this month of 31 days. There'll be 1 day in 4 months of 29, and there'll be a leap year of 29. So there's only 11 months a year at this cycle here, and in the 4th year, we get the extra one, 12. 11 out of 12 for 3 years. We have a total of 4 years, 48 months. Let's count 47 months that get 29. 47, 74, 47 is all within time. If I started on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it wouldn't matter. The 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th day of the week, 7, 14, 21, 28. If we start the month, okay, on a 1, the first week ends on a 7. 28, 27, 26, this is how we'll be ending the month. There'll be 3 days, 2 days. There'll be 4 days, 3 days, 7 months, 4 months, 7 months, 4 months, 7 months, 4 months. 7, 4 is the cycle. It's all the cycle. What I'm coming here to show is that it's all about the numbers. It's all about how the numbers fit. We are running out of space for numbers. Bring in a new set of windows so we can send off the energy, the spreading energies. Because it has to take within the light, and it goes up. It's a tube. It's a suction tube. Where do I think it is? On the moon. You can see it clearly now. I can see clearly now. You know it's the moon. Rice, beans. Do I really like this lunch? Not really. Would I rather have meat? 100%. But when I eat meat, I like to make sure that I'm going to really enjoy it, so I eat it sparingly. Raphael, do we have anything else? I don't know. I'm going to just throw this up here. Just fooling around on the page. Do I have to go back? Yes, I will. Thumper, time heaven. U is 21. It means both. It means Venus and Mercury within each other. Mu. Mu also means to love. Mui. Per means of 2. Rabbit is 52. Cat is 24. Man is 28. The cycle of the piano, left to right. Woman is 38. 66. The spirit of 76, 76 and 28, 76 and 28 plus and minus 104. Zion, Israel. 104 is 5. AD, BC fits in between. What is 0? Now it's BC 5. But 5E. Automatically E goes left and right. And C is connected to E. That's when F man starts. Chiquita. In French, chiquita, banana, right? But when it sounds very quick, sequitwa, sequitwa, chiquita, sequitwa, chiquita. When we're adding 1 to 13, to the right, 2 to 14, in between 2 to 12. This is the one spirit, in between, boom. Falling on the queen is the 12th card, AB, 2, 1, 2, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 is 5, 7 and 7 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5, equaling to Christ, the spirit of Christ, 168, the number of hours in the week, in the spirit of Christ. 3 and 11 is red, 63 equals to 11. And when you add 3 to 11, it equals to 66. The woman, take away 1 and 2, A and B, we have 63 again. 4 and 10, which is the beginning of the gateway. When you add 1 to 10, it equals to 55. Take away 1, 2, 3, 6, equals to 49. 7 by 7, 49. 4 by 9 is 36. 4 plus 9 is 13. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 plus 9 is 13, is 49 again. 5 to 10, we do the same thing. 10 becomes 16. Now, if you add 1 to 16, it equals to 136. If you add 1 to 10, it equals to 55. 136, 55 equals to 81. Venus. Did I do that right? 136 and 55. 136, 55, 136. Let me get out the calculator. 136 minus 55 equals to 81 Venus. I know you can't see it, but I could. So that's 81 Venus. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals to 10. 4 is inside 5. 1 is inside 5. 2 is inside 5. 4 ways. 2 and 2. Adding up 1 to 10 is 55. Take away 10, 45. 9 by 5, 45. The fox, 5 and 9. Adding up 1 to 9 is 45. Take away 10 equals 35. Electric company, 35 and 45 is 80. 0 gets divided as Venus between two sides, equaling to Venus 81 because she split. 5, 9 is now equal to 113. Take away this one, it's inside Venus. I'm just going to go back and see what else I want to... This is something I haven't started with, the Budweiser bow tie. I'm going to be doing it in low shoe. I'm going to be doing it in numbers. I will do it in Pythagorean, and I'll do it against the roulette wheel. Remember that crossing of the numbers will always leave 10, 10, but the circular motion will be 360. We will take out 40. What is the 40 we take out? It's right here. Spread the legs. You see it on the ram's horn, or that what do you call that animal with the long horns? Anyways, that also, grabbing the bull by the horns. 10, 10 equals to 100, and also it's 360 degrees. We minus the 40. The 40, what is the 40? 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. That's your 40 inside here. 360 equals 2 now. Take away 4 is 32, and now you have the freezing point. How it works, I'm not quite sure, but I'm not very happy. Someone comes here to use my computer, rips out a piece of paper. I have thousands of papers all over the place. I'm busy, I let them do their work, I come back, boom, it's all ripped. One of these, the spirit will go in between, connect 2 of these together, some interference in between. It could be in here. Pigtails, they reconnected and bypassed something. Can we outdo it? I'm not sure. Is there anything else in here? Let me take a look. Time spans, different spans. Remember, 1 o'clock equals 14. 2 o'clock equals 16. 3 o'clock, okay, equals 18. 4 o'clock equals 20. Why? AM and PM. Give me a time. 6. 6 p.m. is 18. 18 and 6 is 24. 0, 6, 18, 24. 0, 6 becomes 66. 6 and 6 is 12. Plus 18 equals to 30 creation. A day and a quarter after the first day, starting at 6 o'clock, which is divided between two sides. It's all your own personal method of splitting and reconnecting the perfection of the numbers. The difference is how you find that reality. It's you finding the reality of how come I had to have an extra or a plus? Well, where does it go? Raphael 72, 86 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.